Seeking divine intervention before the big test. Primary level certificate examinations in South Sudan's capital Juba kicked off on Monday. This is the first of 5 exams that will take place throughout the week. They were planned for December last year but had to be rescheduled due to fighting in the country. The students come from various schools across Juba. Sunday Ulang Bayak said her mother only let her take the exams after assurance that they would be safe in the UN compound.
I encourage myself alone. My mom, she did not allow me. Unless yesterday when those people are talking about it, then she heard it from other people, not from me. He told me that when you are going to sit outside, it's not my concern. Even a quarrel with her. I told her if I die, even though I want to die, if God wrote it that I'm going to die this year, I can die inside here in the compound, not outside. Just let me try my level best because I've gone to school for 1 year.
We were worried about going out from here, but when they told us that the UN protects the exam center inside here, we released her to go and sit for it.
South Sudanese government representatives and rebel delegates are holding talks in the Ethiopian capital Addis Ababa. The talks are aimed at ending weeks of fighting in the country, often along ethnic fault lines. The clashes have displaced more than 200,000 people. Carol Oyola, CCTV.